Good morning, guys. Yesterday we had completed exercise number 13.2. Today we will see, 13.1 we had completed. Today we will see 13.2. In this, there are questions regarding the cylinder. You know the cylinder. The shape of cylinder is like this. In 9th standard, whatever we are taught, we will always talk about the right cylinder. We will always talking about the right cylinder. Whenever the word cylinder is given, that is the right angled cylinder, in which this is always equal to 90 degree. This is known as the curved surface area, and it is on top and bottom there is a circular part. These two are the circular. This is the curved surface area. This is known as height of the cylinder. This is known as height of the cylinder, and this is radius of the cylinder. So, in exercise number 3.2, we will talk about the cylinder. Now, in question number 1, it is given that the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder of height 14 is 88 centimeter. What is given? It is given that curved surface area of the cylinder is 88. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 88. It means it is given that curved surface area is equal to 88. It is given in the question. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 88 and height is given is equal to 14 centimeter. Height is given 14 and curved surface area of the cylinder is given 88. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH, which is equal to 88. See, this is the circle on top and base of the cylinder. The circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. And when we add the height, it becomes the curved surface area. So 2 pi r h is equal to CSA, which is equal to 88 is given. 2 into, you have to check if the value of pi is given in the question, then you have to take that. If it is not given, we have to assume is 22 upon 7. We have to assume it 22 upon 7. And height is not given, height is given 14. We have to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. We have to find the diameter. This is circle, so this will be the diameter, and diameter always the half of radius. Diameter is always the half of radius. So into r into h is given 14, which is equal to 88. Now take r as a subject of formula. Send all things on the side of the equation. 22 upon 7. Take all this on that side. So 88 will be here. This is multiplication, will goes into division. Into 7 is division. On this side it goes in the multiplication, and this will be 22 into 2 will be 44. 22 into 4 will be 44. It will multiplication, here it is. Here it will goes in the denominator. Hence you will get the r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1. Now we have to find the diameter. What is diameter? D is equal to 2 into r is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Your diameter is 2. Now we will proceed on question number 2.